Hi, welcome back to the Inner Mind Institute. Today we are going to practice for 10 minutes together. It's a beginner session, so especially when you have difficulties to practice alone at home, then I suggest you to practice together with me during this guided session. We will practice B1 to B3 again, and please sit comfortably and close your eyes and make yourself ready for the next 10 minutes. So when you start your session, it's very important that you immediately pay attention to your breath, to your inhalation and exhalation. So I want you to focus on the physical sensation of your breath touching your nostrils at the inside. B3. Now let's do a technique together to regulate our breathing. Now breathe in deeply, B2, and breathe out. Relax your body, and at the end of your exhalation, hold your breath. So stop breathing till your body gives the signal to breathe in again. Then again, when you feel that signal, breathe in deeply, full lungs, and breathe out. And at the end of the exhalation, hold your breath. One more time, when your body gives the signal to breathe in deeply, and breathe out. And wait. When your body gives the signal again, just breathe normal again. Breathe normally, in and out. Don't control your breath right now. And make sure your body is relaxed. Make sure your chest and abdomen and upper back are as relaxed as possible. Now let's do that technique one more time. Breathe in deeply. Fill your lungs fully, breathe out. At the end of your exhalation, hold your breath. And again, breathe in deeply. And exhale. Stop breathing. Don't fixate your breath, but just stop breathing. Now again, breathe in deeply. And breathe out. And after this exhalation, you breathe normally again. Feel your breath at the inside of your nostrils. When you have difficulties to stay concentrated, use B2 or even B1 to recall your concentration and to come back to B3. Now let's try a technique together to stop with excessive thinking, or to stop the monkey mind from being unconcentrated. Okay, we apply B1 together. The slow version. Here we go. Okay, continue with B2. For 3 times. Feel at the inside of your nostrils. One more time. And B3. Normal breathing. Before we end this session, be to breathe in deeply, breathe out deeply. And again. Relax your body. Okay, you can open your eyes. Okay, I hope you like this session again. Keep practicing, and thank you for joining. I will see you during the next session.